Hello everyone, I welcome you all on this YouTube channel UPSC Logy. This is me Rahul, and today we are going to cover The Hindu for your public administration optional and dated 7th of November 2021. So as you must be knowing about this thing that we have started this series, and you can join the Telegram channel Pabetpedia in order to get the Pabetpedia current affair magazine, that is the magazine for public administration optional, in which you will get all the monthly current affairs articles and how can you link those articles with your public administration theories and thinkers. So linking is something that is there, and also the segregation of the articles that will make your life easier when it comes to public administration. So you can join it, and apart from that, there are some days when you will not get those articles, or let's say yesterday there was no analysis. So in all those days the articles are not there for your pubed in the newspaper only. So that's why I am not covering those things, because there is no article, so what should I cover? So that's why things are like that. Okay, so let's get started without wasting a bit of time. And the first article is talking about the environment, or you can say the pollution after the Deepavali festival. So here the panel blames sudden low winds for noxious Delhi air. So basically what you have to understand, if you read this article, there are three points, or 2 to 3 points that will be the crux of this article. The first thing is that there is a kind of you can say the views are not there is a lack of coordination when it comes to the views of different agencies or different you can say departments of the, or you can say the different organization. For example, one thing that you will get in this article is this CPCB and IMD. So CPCB, you must be knowing about the Central Pollution Control Board, and IMD, this Indian Meteorological Department. So both of these organizations, after the Diwali festival, they were saying this thing, they published the report, they released the report on their website, etc., that there are three reasons for the pollution. So first reason was the firecrackers, the second reason was the kind of stubble burning, and third reason was the weather, the slow winds, etc. Because of the slow winds, etc., so what happened, that flushing of the air was not flushing of the pollutants was not happened in the air, and that's why there is a kind of smoke in the Delhi NCR region after the Diwali festival. So this was the justification, or this was the research based study of this CPCB and IMD. Both were saying like this. But now what happened, that there is the new panel, and that panel, that expert panel is recommending to this graded response action plan, GRAP. So this panel, this third panel, is saying that firecracker and stubble burning are not the reason. The only reason is this you can say the only reason they are basically highlighting is the slow winds. So they are saying that only weather is the reason, while CPCB and IMD, they were saying that there are three reasons. So this is the first you can say kind of contradiction, and rather than contradiction, you can think of lack of coordination. Because what happened is that now both the agencies, both are government agencies, both are reliable agencies when it comes to pollution. So here committee is something where you can say experts are there, so they are saying something else, and CPCB, IMD, they are saying something else. So this is the first you can say contradiction. The second point that you will find in this article is talking about again CPCB versus Commission of Air Quality Management, Commission for Air Quality Management. So this was also in the news recently. I have covered this thing in the previous this magazines and Pabetpedia magazine itself. So Commission of Air Quality Management is something that is there, and CPCB also is there. So according to CPCB, if you let me tell you first thing about the CAQM, that is Commission for Air Quality Management. So according to Commission of Air Quality Management, they are saying that if you analyze stubble burning in Punjab and Haryana this year, and if you compare it with the previous year, you will find that there is the you can say reduction by half half of the intensity when it comes to the stubble burning in both Punjab and Haryana. This is the idea, or this is the, you can say, statement from the Commission of Air Quality Management. While in case of this CPCB, what they are saying no, the stubble burning is not lowered as compared to the previous year, and apart from that they are also saying that even in Haryana the stubble burning increased. So now again, one agency is saying that it is being reduced, one is saying that it is increased in Haryana, and there is nothing called reduction. Apart from that, the second contradiction you can see insofar as the post Diwali pollution in New Delhi or the Delhi NCR region. So these are the two examples where we are witnessing that there is the lack of coordination. Now this is the article. Now how can you link this article with your public administration theory, and how can you use this article? If you go through the previous year questions in 2000 there was the question in public administration paper 1, and in that question, let me tell you the question. It was the 20 marker question, and the question was saying that a more thorough consideration leads to the understanding that communication, authority, specialization and purpose are all the aspects comprehended in coordination. This is the statement of Chester Bernard comment. So this is the statement that communication, authority, specialization and purpose, all aspects are comprehended in this coordination. Means here you have to write about coordination, that ultimately coordination is something that is the root or something like that when it comes to the things like communication, authority, specialization and purpose. This was the statement of Chester Bernard, and you have to comment. So now open-ended question, you have to comment. So you have to give examples, or you have to analyze this thing by giving some examples in order to fetch more marks in this question. So there is no need to understand what Chester Bernard was saying. Means there is no need to remember that Chester Bernard was saying this. Okay, there is no need to remember this. What you have to understand is this statement, and you have to justify, or you have to prove this statement, you have to analyze this statement, you have to comment on the statement. Okay, so now you can, while writing this answer, let's say you have to write about this communication, authority or purpose, or this S means specialization. So how these are comprehended in this communication? So you can basically give this, you can use this example. Let's say today in 2021, if you are writing this answer, you can give this example. Like for example, if CPCB and Commission of Air Quality Management, if they are not coordinating properly, and if they are saying, one agency is saying something else and another agency is saying something else, then what is happening, that because of lack of coordination, communication will be affected. Why? Because people will say that ये लोग तो कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं. People will say that there is a politicization. People will not understand that communication, and you must be knowing about this thing, that communication is something where you are able to convince the opposite party. I hope you are getting the first and the only principle behind communication is this, that the knowledge, the information that you want to convey should reach to that person. But when it comes to lack of coordination, because of this lack of coordination, people will not understand your communication. So now if Supreme Court says that cracker ko ban kar do, if Supreme Court will say that firecracker are the reason behind pollution, people will not understand that communication of Honorable Supreme Court of India, or for that matter any government. Why? Because this subcommittee, this expert committee panel is saying that pollution was due to the bad weather. It was not due to the pollution, not due to the firecrackers or stubble burning per se. So now the problem is there. And similarly, farmers will say that stubble burning is not happening. The state government of Punjab and Haryana, they will say that as per this report, stubble burning is not there. So basically this is the problem, because if coordination between the agencies are not there, then automatically you cannot communicate. I hope you are getting. Similarly, authority. So if you analyze authority, what is the definition of authority? If you read the Chester Bernard, or for that matter other thinkers like Weber was talking about authority, that authority, if you have the authority, you have to the authority would be able to, you can say, the authority will be able to solve the problems, or authority जो होगी, that authority will be able to, you can say, the command would be able to, you can say, you will be able to dominate. All administration is domination. This is what Max Weber was talking about authority. Similarly, MP Fowler was talking about authority is authoritarian power of command. So you cannot give the command if you do not have this proper coordination. Because now if you say that firecracker, don't use this firecrackers, or try to limit the firecrackers, people will say that firecracker was no reason, because as per this report, as per the subcommittee, as per the panel of this expert panel of the GRAP, firecracker was not the reason. The reason was bad weather. So again, because of coordination, the things are becoming problematic. Similarly, you can talk about this specialization, because now what is happening? Commission for Air Quality Management, we have a specialized body. CPCB, we have a specialized body, but this specialization of Henry Fayol, or for that matter Gulick and Urvik, this specialization is of no use. Why? Because ultimately the objective of specialization to perform a particular task is not accomplished, and apart from that, purpose, again, every organization has purpose. All these organizations, be it Commission for Air Quality Management, or you can say any other organization that we have talked in today's analysis, all have this purpose of reducing air pollution or pollution per se, but ultimately the purpose is not being achieved because of this lack of coordination. So this is one negative example, and let's say you have to write about this answer itself, and in 250 marks you can write one another example, like in positive light you can give one example, like let's say there is a proper coordination between different let's say ministries or different departments when it comes to any policy. Let's say Swachh Bharat mission, so different ministries like housing affairs and let's say water and renewable energy, all are coming forward. So in that way you can give the positive example as well. So it will bring that kind of you can say current affair dimension, and you will be able to understand this article in a more proper manner. I hope you are getting. This is the first article that was there in the newspaper. Let's move on to the next article in this newspaper. The second article that you have to refer is this: CPIM publicly censors veteran leader Sudhakaran. Okay, so basically the politics is not for your examination. What you have to understand that they have this political party, this individual political party, they have formed a kind of panel to probe the flaws in electioneering. Okay, so in the election campaign, one leader was not doing the things expected from that particular leader, that is leader Sudhakaran. So basically what you have to understand, that internal democracy or the kind of you can say responsibility, authority, all these things should be there in the political party itself, and this is something that you can say you can use in election reforms, etc. Because the political parties keeps on talking about the kind of you can say reforms in the democracy or the power and authority responsibility, but they should do all those things in the internal politics as well, and you can use this kind of thing in case when it is required. Okay, so it is not that important, but yes, you should be aware of something like this, that yes, in political parties also there are kind of panels, etc., to analyze and to understand the flaws in electioneering. Okay, so most of the time it is a kind of informal exercise. Okay, newspaper will not cover this thing, or these things are internal in nature, and you will not get the kind of debate or newspaper articles. But yes, if something is happening like this, you should be able to remember it as well. Okay, so that you can use it somewhere in your answers, etc. And apart from that, the next important article that you need to refer is this: the Supreme Court observations insofar as the this Pegasus controversy is concerned. So again, this article is something, or this news is something that is you can say kind of recurring news, or kind of you can say judgment, and this thing will come on the daily basis. But what you have to focus is the keywords. So keywords जो है वो रोज नहीं आएंगे, keywords will not come again and again, because judges are not going to repeat their statement again and again. So that's why when it comes to prelims examination, you do not need to worry about these Supreme Court you can say observations on day-to-day basis. Daily commentary is not required. But when it comes to your mains examination, daily commentary is required, because ultimately magazines are not going to cover those things and those quotes and those statement of mains answer writing, and apart from that you would not be able to remember those things. So please try to cover these things on the daily basis, because magazines and other compilation would only cover the फाइनल जजमेंट कि ठीक है पेगासस में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये बोला, बट ऑन द डे टू डे बेसिस दे कीप ऑन यूजिंग द कीवर्ड jargons and something like that which you can use in your general studies paper 2 and in your public administration. So let's understand those things. First of all, the first statement is something where the court is saying, some days back we have covered this thing that government was means in USA there was one president who was saying this thing, who had said this thing in the past, that judiciary should not work like super legislature. So this was argument in terms of against the judicial activism or judicial encroachment or judicial you can say whatever you can say. So that thing, judiciary should not become super legislature, that was the quote of American ex-American president. Okay, so that you can use. I have covered that thing on 19th October 2021. Here you have to understand the arguments in favor of the judicial activism etc. and how can you use this thing. So first statement that the Supreme Court is making is this, that that government can't be adversary when citizens' rights are under the threat. So basically the Supreme Court is there for the protection of the rights etc. So they are saying like this. And apart from that, the second thing is that state cannot blame judges of judicial oligarchy or acting aristocracy of the robe for seeking the information on the behalf of citizens. So two keywords are there, judicial oligarchy. Okay, so state should not say that this is judicial oligarchy. So judicial oligarchy, you can understand, oligarchy means rule of few, rule of 2, 4, 5, 6 etc. So monarchy means rule of 1. Diarchy means rule of 2. Okay, diarchy was there in the modern history, and oligarchy is something that you will find that is something where some rulers are there. So some ruler means some judges in context of that thing. So judicial oligarchy is keyword. So judicial oligarchy, the state should not say that this is judicial oligarchy, this is something that court is saying. I hope you are getting. And apart from that, it should also not use the things like use the keywords like aristocracy of the robe. So this you can say, you can also use this thing, aristocracy of the robe. So when judiciary become active, the state or the government criticizes or the experts criticizes that this is the aristocracy of the robe. So try to remember this thing, judicial oligarchy, aristocracy of the robe. These are the keywords that you should be aware of. The third keyword or the third thing that the Supreme Court was talking about is this, that the Supreme Court had no intention to encroach into the political thicket. So political thicket, this is not ticket of this farm protest. Okay, so one person is there. So basically what you have to understand, thicket, THICK, thick ET. So political thicket. So this is the keyword, that political thicket mein they do not want to intervene in that, but intervene in that political thicket. But yes, ultimately when it comes to the protection of the rights of the citizen of this country, the Supreme Court will come into picture, because it is the protector or the guarantor of the fundamental rights. Okay, and apart from that, the last thing is that they observed this thing, that judicial review and soliciting constitutional justification is the essential feature of the constitution. Again, judicial review is something that you must be knowing about this keyword, judicial review, but soliciting constitutional justification is something that you should keep in your mind. Constitutional justification. So you can use these kind of keywords in your answer in order to write a good answer. Constitutional justification. Constitutionalism is something that you must be aware about in your public administration. So constitutional justification is something that you can add over there. I hope you are getting. So these are the few keywords that you can use in your answers. I hope you are getting all the things with respect to today's analysis. This is it for the day. Thank you so much. And today there are 3 articles, so I hope you are getting all the things. So this is it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to follow the Telegram channel Puppetpedia in order to get the magazines, etc., and you can also subscribe there. Okay, thank you so much.